This is the before video of the garage. Got a lot of work, a lot of stains on the floor. I ain't trying to get them up. Patched up all like the nail holes in the walls. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get it painted. Estimate out for paint. Got a new shelving. About to rearrange it. I got too much stuff, so we're gonna put everything to one side and have one side for parking. All right, more to follow. I hate the split right here. I guess it's load bearing for the house, but I think it's unnecessary, but it is what it is. Just the house, I'm working with it. Gonna make this thing looks magic, and I'm gonna give you a video step by step as we go. All right, welcome back. This is the second part of the restoration of this garage. You can see the walls hyper white. They look great. If you go back and look at the first video, these walls look super shitty. I had a guy come in here in Houston. He fixed all the paint, the holes in the walls. So the next step is getting this floor fixed. So we're gonna go with a race deck black and white raised tiles that interlock, and that'll be the next step. So check it out, and I'll be coming on with the follow-on video of the floor, and the video after that will be getting rid of this stupid ceiling fan. Like, they got the ceiling fan, like an indoor ceiling fan in the garage. The light is shitty. So the wall is gonna brighten it up. The floor brighten it up. And let's see how it turns out. All right, the guy that's working on the garage floor, he put some acid down. He didn't do like the sanding, scaling thing that I see everybody else doing, but let's see how it turned out. Washed it real good. I guess he headed to go get the paint, so let's see how it turned out. Get all my shit in the driveway. Yeah, this is a finished product, man. It looks awesome. It's still wet, but it looked like a hole in the garage. You can go back early in the video and look at how the garage looked. So I gotta wait overnight, put all my shit like a damn yard sale out here back in the garage, but I'm thoroughly impressed. This brother did a great job. Hit me up if you're in Houston. This man is killing it. Only $800. There's a lot of cats charging $2,000, $1,700, and these idiots trying to charge this type of money is ridiculous, because you can buy the tiles, the snap tiles, for like $1,100, $1,300 for a 2-car garage. So why the fuck would I pay you $2,000? I can just get the tiles that snap and it look way better. But this looks great. Once again, man, Facebook Marketplace. Talk to guys. Don't get scammed. Look at the reviews. This guy had 5 stars on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, so if you're in the Houston area, hit me up. I give you his information. He's excellent. He did a great job. One guy, he got here at 9, and it's 12:40, and he's done. The only thing I do now is just wait for it to cure, and that's it.